Hi. Climate Action Project Week 3 is all about having virtual interactions with other classrooms from across the world. And once signed in at the Climate Action Project website, you will be able to find a blue button which allows you to schedule those virtual exchanges. You will either be able to find other teachers and schools in other continents and countries, but also connect with them. You will have to push the blue button, and this will bring you to a new page where in the first stage you will have to add your own availability dates. So you will have to add several days and time frames when you are available. So this could be like the 8th of October from 11 to 12, and this will automatically recalculate the time zone as well. So I will add one right now. I will take 1 week, but I suggest that you add several days with several time frames so that everybody is able to see when you are available. So I added one, but you have to add several. And then once you're all set and people know when you are available, you can choose to find a match. I will search for teachers for the next week, and then so next week, and then it will automatically search for all teachers available during that exact time frame and those days. You can scroll and you can find teachers, several ones in India, several ones in Turkey, and every teacher may have several time frames as well. You can hit this icon and learn more about that teacher and school, the age of the students, but you can also be in touch by hitting this icon, which allows you to send an email, a message, and the rest will go through email basically. And so you will have to agree on the platform to use. It's not only for next week, week 3, but also you can have virtual interactions during week 4, 5, etc. You can even select on country in case you really want somebody in the same country due to language or time zone restrictions. Good luck!